Hey guys, I'm Rishabh. Welcome to SobeRish. So today I'll be making the Crazy Blue Cosmopolitan. The recipe demands for about 45 ml of vodka and about 15 ml of triple sec, but I have the perfect alternative, the absolute mandarin. Now we start with about 60 ml of vodka, come behind with some cranberry juice, and then squeeze a lemon in this. So now, for the crazy blue color, add some blue Curacao. After that, add some ice to the shaker. And then shake this up. So now that the shaking is done, take a glass and pour this on top. So now, to garnish this drink, take a lemon slice and a toothpick. And place it carefully on the side. To beat your Monday blues, definitely try our Crazy Blue Cosmopolitan. This looks amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and definitely try this beauty out. Cheers!